With SogoCX, it's easier than ever to ask your customers the key questions that matter most. Focus on opportunities for improvement by checking in on customer loyalty, satisfaction, and effort, and you'll uncover powerful data you can use. To get started, create a new CX project. You might choose a template from the bank, copy an existing project, or start from scratch. If you're not sure, consider starting with a template to keep things simple. Otherwise, if you have your questions ready, start fresh. Make sure your title is clear. Organize in the right folder as needed, then pick your language or languages. Be sure you're set on the primary language. That can't be changed later, but you can always add more secondary languages. If this project represents a touch point in your customer's journey, like signing up for a new account, add a touch point here. Touch points can be used for tracking on your CX dashboard once you have results. Build your project by dragging and dropping the right question types onto your canvas. Pay special attention to the industry standard key metric questions. Net Promoter Score, or NPS, measures customer loyalty by asking how likely they are to recommend you to others. Answers on a 0 to 10 scale break customers into 3 groups: detractors, passives, and promoters. Customer satisfaction, or CSAT, uses a 1 to 5 scale to measure a customer's level of satisfaction with your company, product, service, or brand. Customer Effort Score, or CES, asks customers how easy you made it for them to meet their needs, using an agreement scale of 1 to 7. You may choose to include one or more of these questions based on your touchpoint or goals. For example, for new customers, you might want to understand effort score, like how easy was the sign-up process. One more important question type to consider is the key driver question. This question type allows you to uncover both the answer to an important outcome metric, for example, customer satisfaction, and the possible impact of other potential drivers measured in the survey, like pricing, quality, or service. Once you've added your questions, incorporate advanced features like question display logic to learn more through follow-up questions, or branching to ask different questions to different groups of participants, like new customers or long-term customers. Add your logo, title, and an introductory comment to welcome participants and set expectations, then move on to visual settings. Here, you'll set the style to match your brand. Then, save a template you can apply on future projects. Preview for web, tablet, and mobile. Ready to launch? Be sure to review any additional settings, like adding languages and updating the post-submission thank you message participants see on screen. You can even send them instant thank you emails, or send yourself instant alerts based on the conditions of your choice. Perhaps a very low satisfaction score, so you can follow up right away. Spell check, polish, and preview, and you'll be good to go. Next stop, distribution.